Hey, I'm Andrew Ingeved. There's a reason so many beginner music students struggle, even with good teachers and supportive parents. And it's not talent, it's not motivation, and it's not a lack of practice. It's sequence. So, most learning problems come from violating a simple principle that I call sequence before skill. Human beings don't develop skill because they're told what to do. They develop skill because they're guided through the right experiences in the right order. And when we reverse that order, asking students to read before they feel confident playing, or to perform before they feel safe experimenting, or to be correct before they're capable, is slowing down all their learning. Confidence just collapses, students quietly disengage. So skill doesn't fail first, sequence fails first. When you fix the sequence, confidence forms completely naturally. Engagement lasts longer and skill has a chance to emerge. This idea is the foundation of everything I teach inside Musicolor Method and the Musicolor Coach certification. If this resonates and you're ready to rethink how beginners actually learn, continue the training below. Let's put sequence back where it belongs.